Hello and thanks for joining me. I'm Matthew Rondina with Best Buy Canada's Best Buy blog, and today I'm unboxing, testing out, and sharing my thoughts on the ASUS ROG Xbox Ally X. Please be sure to check out my full written review on Best Buy blog. You'll find it linked in the description below, and it has even more details and insights around the Xbox Ally X. Just a friendly reminder, you can purchase the ASUS ROG Xbox Ally X today via bestbuy.ca. ASUS and Microsoft have teamed up to deliver what might just be the most refined portable gaming experience yet. Whether you're coming from the original ROG Ally or exploring handheld PCs for the first time, this one's worth a long, close look. Let's dive in and find out why. The ROG Xbox Ally X takes everything ASUS learned from its earlier iterations of its Ally handheld's hardware and builds on it in almost every way. From design, performance, battery life, and even software integration, it has it all. ASUS invited me to get a sneak peek at the devices both inside and out. I was truly impressed by the lengths, revisions, and tweaks they went through just to get everything right. At its core, it's powered by AMD's new Ryzen AI Z2 Extreme processor, paired with 24 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM and a fast 1 terabyte PCIe 2.0 SSD. The result? Fast load times, smoother gameplay, and improved multitasking across the board. But what really sets the Ally X apart is its Xbox collaboration. The Windows setup has been redesigned from the ground up to feel more like a console, making this one of the most accessible PC gaming experiences I've ever used. Before delving further into the software, let's first talk about unboxing the Ally X. And when you are opening the box, you'll notice the attention to detail I was talking about before right away. It has that same premium feel we expect from ASUS's Republic of Gamers line, but now with a cleaner, stealthier matte black finish. Setup is smoother than ever thanks to the new Xbox full screen experience. You can complete the entire process using the handheld's joysticks and buttons. No keyboard or mouse required, which is a great touch. Just like previous iterations of the Ally hardware, the power button doubles as a fingerprint sensor for quick, secure logins, and the whole Windows onboarding feels fast, fluid, and controller-friendly. As I mentioned before, one of the biggest highlights to this entire experience is the interface and software. From here, you can browse your library, jump into Xbox Cloud Gaming, or install PC and Play Anywhere titles. What I really like is how unified everything feels. The Ally X makes it easy to move between Xbox, Game Pass, Steam, and Epic Games, and more without juggling multiple launchers. The Game Bar overlay is accessible with the Xbox button, and it gives you quick access to your friends list, achievements, and the revamped ROG Command Center. It's all snappy, responsive, and optimized for handheld use. Speaking of the Command Center, this is where the magic happens. You can adjust brightness, frame rate limits, and performance mode on the fly. The ROG Xbox Ally X offers different modes like Silent, Performance, Turbo, and Manual, where something like Silence keeps things cool and quiet for lighter tasks, and Performance balances speed and efficiency, and Turbo unleashes the full power of the chip for demanding titles, while Manual mode lets you fine-tune every little detail to your liking. At the center of the ROG Xbox Ally X experience is the 7-inch Full HD IPS display offering sharp 120Hz refresh rate and FreeSync Premium Pro support. The screen itself is vivid and beautiful, and it can handle all sorts of fast action on screen. A nice touch is that it's also coated with an updated DXC anti-reflective layer. It's not an OLED display, but it does strike a great balance between clarity, responsiveness, and really good battery efficiency. Here's my final verdict on the ASUS ROG Xbox Ally X. It isn't just a small upgrade, it is a redefinition of handheld PC gaming. ASUS and Microsoft have created something that feels cohesive, polished, and genuinely next-gen. While an OLED display would have been nice, the ROG Xbox Ally X's improvements in design, power, and efficiency make it one of the most complete handhelds available today. If you've been waiting for a portable gaming PC that feels as easy to use as a home console, the ROG Xbox Ally X might be the perfect balance of both worlds. That wraps up my review for the ASUS ROG Xbox Ally X. Just a friendly reminder, you can find it at Best Buy Canada, both in-store and online. I'm Matthew Rondina for Best Buy Canada's Best Buy blog. Thank you so much for watching. Game on!